Today we are going to magnetize the Rubik's cube. It's very absolutely easy. You can just do it at your home by just putting the magnets. Let's get started. So we are going to magnetize the cube with neodynaimc and 42 magnet. So first we will disassemble the Rubik's cube and then we will push the magnets inside the parts. Let's start with this. We now have to disassemble them into most pieces. So let's start doing this. Assembling all the parts, we can now start the magnetizing the Rubik's cube. So let's get started. Put one magnet in one end, just like this, and bring it closer. Put one magnet in the other one. They will just get like this. Adjust the position of the magnets, just like this. I have put the magnets at the center. Now we have to glue it. You have to use the same glued piece to put the magnets in other piece so that all the magnets fix at the same position. Contain the magnets, let's assemble them. The magnetic cube. I had made the magnetic cube. Let's check the performance. So we will do an overview. It's very good. Thanks for watching.